I've decided to make a kit ukulele. So I went and checked Amazon, eBay, and a few other places. Even checked StuMac.com. And those are some good quality ukuleles. So I'm going to work my way up to that, but this is not a StuMac ukulele. This is just a little maple ukulele, and it comes with the body already intact. And so the body's intact, comes with a, I guess this would be called a bolt-on neck or something, because you connect it and glue it up. And but what I did like about this is it comes with a little gig bag. Not much of one, just a little cover. And it comes with the bag of hardware, so that's nice. The one thing I did not like about it is it came with a plastic fretboard. So I have ordered 2 maple fretboards that already come with the frets attached. So I'm trying to make this first time I'm building the kit just as user-friendly as possible. So I'm going to get things organized over at my workstation and also change my clothes, because I'm dressed in nice clothes. So this is not wood workshop attire. This first day won't really require a lot of tools, since the neck of the ukulele and the body of the ukulele come fully assembled. They just need to be sanded and fit. Here's my stack of sandpaper. I probably won't be down in the 80 or the 100, maybe not even the 120. I may do 150, a little bit of 200, and finish it with 400, because this is already still pretty smooth. So that's my next step. Here I am sanding with 150 grit sandpaper. I move on to the 220, and this is super speed, but what I'm doing with the neck here is trying to give it just the slightest concave so it'll match up with the body real well. And then I'm flattening down where the fretboard will attach, and I'm trying to take off some of the tool marks on the neck. I've taken off the excess dust from the tabletop and from the neck and the body of the ukulele. And I noticed something about the inside of the ukulele. The dowels can go all the way through into the body of the ukulele. You can see the hole goes all the way through. So it's not like a little pocket hole or anything like that. So in order to ensure I have a good little setup in there, I'm going to glue these dowels into the neck, and then once that hardens, a little half hour or so, I'll glue the neck onto the body. That's my next step. I picked up some Titebond from my local hardware store. I've discovered a lot of woodworkers like this. It cleans up well with water. I've done a small dry run here for my clamping. I actually do not have the proper clamps at this time, but that'll be my next purchase. Like I said, it's my first kit. So what I've done is I'm using my little Black & Decker workmate. I've bolted or clamped down a piece of wood across the way. I have this cradling the backside of the ukulele. I'm going to put down some wax paper, so when I do put this down, I don't wind up gluing the ukulele to the workmate. That would be difficult. And that'll pretty much be my last step for today. Then I'm going to leave it to glue overnight. I'm probably going to be a little liberal with the glue, because I'm not satisfied that this is a really tight connection, a tight fit. So I'm going to ask the glue to do its job, which is hold everything together. So this is where we're at today. The next step. Apparently, I have put my brushes I use to spread on glue somewhere safe, and so I've decided to use a small screwdriver to daub on the application of the glue. I've got my little straight on here. I notice a little drop down from the body to the neck, and I'm trying to get this just to make sure that the neck is straight with the body like that. So I'm gonna bring this up, bring the workmate up a little and clamp, and now bring it up. Make sure everything, give it a little more clamp. Don't want to clamp too hard. And it looks like it's pretty straight. Bring that up a little, push down. There. Okay. I'm going to finalize stuff off camera, but that's pretty much all I can do today. Well, off camera, I got this very straight. I'm quite pleased with it. I did notice that there was a possibility for it to kind of bow in the middle. Being pushed here and pushed here low might cause the center to try and buckle. So I've applied this heavy piece of wood. This is actually another project I'm working on. I've reached a stop point on that project. That's going to keep the body of this ukulele from buckling up. Tomorrow morning I'll come, apply any excess glue that needs to be added, scrape away any excess glue that needs to be pulled away, and then start on the next steps. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy step 1 of building a kit ukulele.